This is a 120 amp charge controller charging a 10 kilowatt hour battery. Okay, what we need to do, we need to set the charging currents that is required to charge the battery. As we all know, the charging currents should be a 10% of the battery ampere. So as we have 10 kilowatts, that's 1000 kilowatts. Watt hours. So if you divide it by 48 volts, you get the total amp of the battery. So from the total amps of the battery, you will know if you have to use 30 amps or 20 amps or 45 amps or 60 amps. Now from my calculation, we have to use 30 amps or 20. The minimum is 20 amps, but for fast charging you can use 25 or 22, just as you see here. So let's do the setting. You press and hold. The ESC will come up. Tap again. Okay, this is the charging. The charging current already programmed here is 100 amps, and we can't use that 100 amps to charge this. And what our PV is giving us is not even up to that. So you press and hold. You can reduce it. 11. Keep increasing it. Keep increasing it. Keep increasing it. Oh, I'll get to 30. Just keep increasing it. We're to use 24 or 25 amps. Now it has to get to 100 before it gets to 10. I wish they do it 10 interval now, so for the 10 20 or 10 15 like that. Okay, let's go again. This is 13 amps, 17 amps, 22 amps, 24 amps, 25 amps. So we are using 25 amps to charge this Felicity 10 kilowatts battery. Now we are going to number 2. I said that already, but I'm trying to use this to teach a lesson. So you press and hold. You come back to the menu. So you now select. Now this is number 2. This number 2 is telling you battery type. You can see from here battery type. We have use, we have AGN, we have flood, we have LID. So the battery I'm using here is lithium ion battery. So I set it here. This is lithium ion battery. Now the next one is voltage, okay, absorption voltage. This one is not necessary because this one is mainly for 28, it's doing about 24 volts, 12 volts, and so on. From here they said this one is for used defined battery. Now we move on to float voltage. I can go back to reset. Let's go again. Number 4. Floating voltage is 57.6. So when this battery gets to 57.6, now it will not be charging again. The current will just be hovering around. Now if there is any reduction of load or reduction of power from the battery, it will pick up. That's what floating charging means. It will just be storing the current. So if there is any shortage in the battery consumption, it will start up charging. So we move to another one. Battery rated voltage. This battery rated voltage, you have to set it 12 volt, 24 volt, 48 volts. So we are using 48 volts. So we come again. I set it already, but I'm just using it to, that's number 5. So I set it already, 48 volts. That's it. So all this one, BTMs, equalizer, It has a BMS on its own, battery equalizer, battery voltage equalizer, the maximum current of equalizer. It has BMS on its own, so no need for those one. Battery equalized time, equalizing interval, equalization activated, over discharge voltage, load mode. If this